The new edition of the VR Arcade Game Buyer's Guide is all about do-it-yourself free roam VR. The tools are all there, the software's available, the hardware's available, and more operators than ever are putting it together themselves. And what better place for the do-it-yourselfer than Home Depot? Are you tired of flushing your money down the toilet, paying too much for high-priced VR attractions? So I've talked to a lot of operators that are tired of flushing their money down the toilet by buying high-priced free roam VR attractions. So what I've done in the VR Buyer's Guide this year is I've done a whole how-to on building your own do-it-yourself free roam arena. And that way you won't feel like you're taking a bath.
It's plush when you flush. Box, phone, and a rack for your hot rod magazines within easy reach.
Does your attraction mix suck?
We have a suck-a-bug.
4 years and the best you can come up with is suck-a-bug?
Is the high cost of free roam VR attractions grinding at you? Does the economy have you clamping down on costs? Even if you're not ready to do it now, file this away for later. The key to a great family entertainment center is having free roam VR.
Almost more than a man can take. Oh.
If you want to do free roam VR now, you can actually cut costs by doing it yourself. Clamp down on the cost of attractions. I don't know what I have to do to drill it into your brain. I'm just going to hammer this point home. Free roam virtual reality can blow up your business. Does all this talk about doing it yourself kind of scare you?
No, I'm not, Bob.
That's okay. There's some amazing turnkey suppliers out there that'll take it and bring it in and install it and show you how to use it, and you don't have to DIY anything other than just writing a check. Get my VR Arcade Game Buyer's Guide, and I show you how to do it yourself and save a ton of money.
It's no longer a problem.
I'm here with Beach Santa in Florida, and we're both going to bring you an early Christmas present this year.
Merry Christmas! What a beautiful day!
Make sure you register at bobcooney.com/guide, get the VR Arcade Game Buyer's Guide, and we're going to show you how to save a ton of money doing it yourself with free roam VR.